Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a hayfield located in western Kentucky, where a 125 PTO horsepower John Deere 4430 SoundGard tractor is baling hay with a John Deere 568 MegaWide Plus 5x5 round baler. The model 4430 is celebrating its 50th anniversary in 2023. We'll take a look at this tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this baling operation. The Model 4430 was introduced along with three other Generation 2 series tractors in August 1972 as new for model year 1973. These tractors featured an all-new SoundGard design from John Deere, which offered an aerodynamic body style and a new modern cab, which would go on to set industry standards for cab tractors for the next 2 decades. The Generation 2 lineup included the Model 4030 at 80 PTO horsepower, the Model 4230 at 100 PTO horsepower, and the top-of-the-line model in the lineup was the Model 4630 at 150 PTO horsepower. These tractors were manufactured in Waterloo, Iowa through model year 1977. The 4430 is the second largest tractor in the Generation 2 series. It's powered by a 6.6-liter John Deere turbocharged 6-cylinder 404 cubic inch engine rated at 125 PTO horsepower and 104 drawbar horsepower. This machine is fitted with a 46-gallon diesel fuel tank. John Deere customers ordering a 4430 new in the 1970s had a choice of 4 different transmissions. The first was a John Deere Synchro Range, which is an 8-speed partially synchronized transmission with 8 forward and 2 reverse speeds. The second option is a 16-speed partial power shift transmission. This quad range John Deere transmission offers 16 forward and 6 reverse speeds. Customers could also choose an 8-speed full power shift transmission, which has 8 forward and 4 reverse speeds. This option was an additional $1,107 on the tractor. The fourth option was a 13-speed creeper gear synchro range John Deere transmission featuring 13 forward and 4 reverse speeds. On average, the 4 different transmissions allow the tractor to travel from 2 up to 18 miles per hour. The different transmissions vary about a mile to a mile and a half difference in the lowest speed and top speed across the range. When the 4430 rolled off the assembly line in Waterloo, Iowa, it weighed in at 10,762 pounds. It can be fully field weighted up to 15,060 pounds with the addition of wheel weights and front slab weights. When the 4430 was new, it had an original price tag of $22,451. A total of 77,368 4430s were manufactured in a 4-year time frame. A majority of these tractors were ordered with a cab. A customer could order the 4430 without a cab and save $3,679 from the price tag. Let's take a look inside the SoundGard tractor's cab. Here we can see the farmer's perspective of operating the tractor. You have your dashboard here as well as your controls. So we can see the shift here and your hydraulic controls, your throttles. Just a really advanced tractor for 50 years ago. Of course, it wouldn't have had the monitor here for the baler at the time, but a nice advancement working with the classic tractor. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere 4430 tractor baling hay. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use a 4430 or other SoundGard tractors on your farm. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional content from the channel featuring John Deere tractors, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.